My name is Daudi Mumba. I'm a resident of Kanyama constituency, Makeni Simpson area. We came up with an initiative of keeping Kanyama clean when Kanyama was hit with cholera. That is in 2021 and 2022 rain season. So we teamed up with the residents of Kanyama to voluntarily clean the streets and encouraging people to dispose of their solid waste properly. Well, it's just I think it was just the nature of having an environment being clean and living in a clean environment. And you see, when Kanyama was hit with cholera, that was also a concern of the people of Kanyama, the residents. So we had to team up and let's clean up the streets and keep on encouraging people to dispose of their wastes and their solid waste properly. Unfortunately, you see, there's really lack of awareness on the proper disposal of waste, and this is one thing we should also encourage one another to see how best we can reach the community and sensitize the community on the effects and the side effects of the proper disposal of solid waste. When we started, we used to do it on a daily basis, but as time and again the environment, people adapted to a clean environment, and it was now twice in a week. Nowadays it's once in a while. The reason being is that there's lack of awareness in the community, and community participation, it has been not really effective because of lack of an awareness and the dangers of solid disposal of our solid waste. Well, our target is our markets, special markets. We've done good sensitization around Simpson Market area in Makeni area, Makeni Simpson area. We've encouraged the marketeers to dispose of their wastes in a proper manner. But I think we need also, this also calls upon the authority to, I think, increase on the number of the companies to collect solid waste in the compounds, because lack of solid waste collectors, this also has also contributed to poor disposal of solid waste in the community. So we look forward that we can have. Well, the major challenge we have is plastic. Plastic is one thing which has also almost 90% of solid waste in Kanyama is plastic. And when we look at the drainage system, it has been blocked because of plastic, solid waste. So domestic waste is minimal. The reason being that those are collected by certain companies which are garbage collectors, and what I would call in brackets illegal collectors who use wheelbarrows, which we don't know their destination of disposal again. That is another issue which should also be looked into. Okay. So when it comes to the major solid waste in Kanyama is plastic. So I would encourage those companies which are doing recycling that they can up their game and go in the community, encourage the community to collect more plastic and sell to them. Yes, absolutely. Let's talk of burning. You see, burning, and it's one thing the residents of Kanyama, and I've observed that people burn wastes at any time, anywhere, in the markets, in homes, which is quite very wrong. We don't have to burn waste. What happens if, in the process of burning that waste, and there is a container which contains some chemicals, and you burn it, and the next person who's going to inhale that smoke, what would happen? Anything is possible. Even instant mental illness can affect that particular person because of inhaling a dangerous chemical which was burnt.